free PayPal money instantly right now, and I'm about to teach you exactly how to do that. But before I get started, if you want to enter in my contest, you need to comment two things: I want to make money online and free PayPal money. You will be entered into my $500 contest that I'm running that will be going all the way into June the 15th. So if you want to enter in that contest, comment those two things. If you're new to my channel, you have to be subscribed in order to enter the contest. So if you're new to my channel and you haven't seen any of my previous videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification, smash that like button, because I want this video to be sent out to the masses. So if you can share this video on your social media, that'll be cool. I want people to actually know that I created this method, because it's a whole lot of other YouTubers that are probably going to take some of my content and then do a video on their bigger channel and get a lot more views with the method that they didn't create. So I want to make sure that my method is actually getting out there to people, and that I'm actually getting the credit for this, because this is going to be a very revealing video on how you can set up a whole income stream for yourself and start making some real free PayPal money or free PayPal cash. Or if you just want to get gift cards to Amazon or Google Play Store, you can do that as well. But I want to make sure that that this is kept as my method, that I actually created this method, and I want to make sure that people actually use it and use it for good, and actually go out there and not just use this for apps and websites, but use this for affiliate marketing and other stuff like that. This is really simple. Okay, but before I get started with this information, I'm going to give you a link to this whole document. This document is going to have each and every thing that has paid me free PayPal money from 1 to 11. I know I say best 8 apps. I need to put 11, because obviously as I earn money with these things, I add to this. Number one is Dash. You need to sign up for Dash. You need to link a card. Once you link a card, a free debit or credit card, you're going to actually get $5 in free PayPal money up front. The same thing for Pay, the cashback app. You can use both of these at the same time. So basically, you would just link the same card you link to Dash to Pay. And Society, the same thing. Hooch, Swag Bucks, Fetch Rewards. Capital is new one. You have to read this information. It's very nuanced. Clio savings app is new. Buzz Break is not new. 1Q is not new, and QMe is not new. QMe is the easiest one to get a payout from. Once you make over 10 cents in QMe, you can get a PayPal cash out really quickly, really fast. So you don't have to wait as long as you would with these other apps. These other apps have caps, which means you have to make over $15 to get a PayPal payout with Pay. You have to make over $25 to get a PayPal payout with Dash. Now let me just show you some proof, because I'm all about proof. You can see Swagbucks is emailing me right now as we're doing this video. If I go to Dash Pays You, now I use Vimo, which Vimo is a PayPal company. So if I go right here, let me go down here. They just actually bought Vimo. If I go down here, you can see Vimo is a service of PayPal Inc. You can see this right here. So this down there. So it's basically PayPal money. Basically Vimo was acquired by PayPal. I use Vimo because they don't take a long time to process. Like they don't have a lot of those nagging things that I hate about PayPal, which is account holds, account limits, and things of that nature. As soon as you get the money, then you can just transfer it to your bank, and it doesn't have a lot of fees as well, even though their fees are a little bit ridiculous on Vimo. But I like Vimo just because of the fast pace and not having the account limitations that you would have with PayPal. But anyway, it's made by PayPal, so this is basically PayPal money. Dash pays you in three ways: PayPal, Vimo, or bank account. If you're international and you can't sign up for Dash, I'm going to leave I'm not going to leave in some information. I'm going to actually give you some more websites that you can use in place of Dash, and I actually show you guys at the end of the video, so you make sure you want to stay until the end of the video. But anyway, you basically just download the app through this link right here. You link a card, you get a $5 bonus. Once you make over $25, you're able to withdraw. Let me show you Pay and Society, and I'm just going to actually show you my method. Because most of you guys have already seen these apps. You already heard about these apps. I've talked about these apps extensively on my channel, but I haven't showed you my all of my method to getting referrals. So I'm going to actually show you all of that today. So like I said, you want to stay until the end of the video. There's some Pay information. You can see $40 right here. What is this down here? Another $20, another $40. This is just this week, by the way, and that's another 20 right there. So that's pay. Society, I've made a lot of money with Society. Um, over $600, well, over $900 now with Society, and I can actually prove that. Let me actually go into it and actually show it to you guys, because proof is in the pudding. You know, a lot of people, you know, give you theories and stuff. You can see right here it's not loading up correctly right now, but you can see $918, and I just got this app, I think a month ago, and around April, around the end of March to April. So I've already made $918 with this app. Okay. So once you sign up for these and get your initial bonuses, so when you sign up, you're going to get bonuses for these apps. All of these apps, swag bucks and everything. I'm not going to go through all of these apps because I need to get to the method, which is down here. But once you, like I said, once you download all of these apps and get started with these apps and get your initial bonus, you'll be then able to get your referral link. You want to get all of your referral links for these apps, and I'm going to teach you exactly how to promote them. This link to this document will be in the description below. This is where you're going to get all of your free PayPal money. For all your free PayPal money links, and you're ready to go start with this method. So let me go through this method. The method is you get your first PayPal money cash out. So with these apps, you get your first cash out, whether it's gift card or whatever, PayPal money, whatever. You want to get proof, and you want to take a picture of it, and you also want to do a video talking about it. You want to do a video like this, like I'm doing right now when I show payment proof. You can do a video on YouTube, Daily Motion. Pinterest even allows you to have videos on there now. You want to push your video out every single place that you can, and you also want to have all of your referral links on one place that you can just copy and copy your referral link and then paste it, and either in the description of the video or in the comment section of the video. You want to have all of your links to these apps, and you want to paste it beside your video. Basically, I would do this. I would do a video on each one of these. I would get a free PayPal money cash out with all of these apps, and then I would do a video talking about each and every one of them separately. So I would do one on Dash, another video on Pay, another video on Society, another video on Hooch, and I'll put them out on YouTube, and I'll actually leave my link in there so I can actually get referrals. So you will start to get referrals. The only thing you need to do is you want to make sure that you made money with the app, whether that's $5, $2, or whatever. You want to make sure you made money with the app. If you haven't made money with the app, you want to wait until you make enough money to show people that you actually made money with the app, and you want to push your referral link in there. This will give you that initial boost. YouTube is really, really good getting started. Now, long term, like I told you in previous videos, you're not going to be getting a whole lot of referrals from YouTube. I'm just going to be honest with you. You're going to get your the first video, whatever. You're going to get a whole big amount of referrals. But after that, as the months and months go on, you're going to start getting 1 to 2 people per week with this method. If you have a video, basically, not everybody videos go viral, so therefore you're not going to be getting a whole lot of referrals from this. So what you want to do is, after you do a video, you want to do a guest blog post. Now, this is a secret that I've been using that I have not shared yet. I have not shared this method yet. So there are a whole lot of ways you can get a blog post. Matter of fact, I suggest you go to Fiverr and get some cheap ones. You can pay for it. A guest blog post is where you do a blog post for it. Basically, either they can write it, either the person that you're buying the guest blog post from can write it, or either you can write it, you have somebody else write it, and basically you're going to be including your referral links to these apps. So whether you're talking about making money online or different ways to make money online, and let's say you want to talk about Dash and Pay in the app, you will basically get your and this is not, there you go. Basically you will just get your link, and you'll basically put that link in that blog post. So if you talk about Dash, you will actually give them your link to Dash, and you give them your link to Pay. You will include those links in the blog post. And what is good about this is because people that are reading that blog are already fans of the blog. So when you post there, it's already traffic coming to that blog. So it's a lot of people already interested in that particular blog, and they'll see the post and they'll see how you're making free PayPal money, and they will want to actually sign up for these apps because they'll probably be new to it, and you will basically get their referral because you have your link in there. Okay, so that's another one. You want to promote on Pinterest. I talked about Pinterest extensively. You want to promote on Blogger and Tumblr, and you want to promote on forums. These right here are responsible for me going from maybe $10 to $15 per day to at least 60 to 120, and I've even got up to 245 per day. These are these methods right here, not this top method. You can do all the videos you want to, but this is going to make your stuff go viral, because like I said, YouTube chooses who they want to go viral. You know, sometimes you'll go viral, sometimes you won't. So you never know. But the amount of YouTube videos that you would have to do in order to get this amount of traffic that I'm giving you right here with these blog posts and blogger and forums and stuff like that is going to take a lot of videos, maybe hundreds of videos, in order to get this amount of traffic to your link. But you basically want to get your link out there. You want to do Facebook groups also as well. But this right here is responsible. I'm gonna say this one more time, because you guys want to make free PayPal money. I'm giving it to you right now. This is all the things I do. This is responsible for me. For me making, when I was just doing the videos, I was making around $10 to $20 per day. When I started doing this stuff right here that I'm showing you right now, I went from that to making $60 to $245 was my highest day by doing this. And plus I have my own blogs and my own Tumblrs and my own, I have my own website, and I also have my own food blog where I promote Dashet. So I basically, my link is everywhere, from YouTube to blogs to anywhere. So there's different forms of traffic, but this right here, based on my link tracking, is responsible for me making $60 to $120 a day. Now you can make $20. I know a lot of you guys would just be cool with just making $20 to $40 a day, but once you start making free PayPal money, you want to start investing that into this stuff, because you can buy a blog post, promote on Pinterest. You're gonna have to do that organically. You're gonna have to put in the work on Pinterest. There's no way you can buy your way to Pinterest viral. There's no way you can buy your way to going viral on Pinterest. You have to do it organically. Tumblr and Blogger, you can buy reshares and stuff like that. You can actually get this going. And forums, you just basically contact the forum manager. But this is just right here. I'm gonna say this one. This is everything. After this video, I have no more methods that I'm using to talk about. So these right here are the exact reason I'm making $60 to $245, excuse me, per day by using this. So this is exactly what you want to do. If you want to make some free PayPal money, do this. But I will leave a link to all of these apps in this document below. I'll actually leave a link to this whole document. You just click on that document. You go right over there. You'll be able to just click on these links and actually download these apps, sign up. But this is exactly what I'm doing. You have it all now. This is the way that I'm making free PayPal money. Go out there, start doing this, and I look forward to you guys making some money online very, very soon. Peace out.